how to remove payment method from Doordash. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can remove payment method from Doordash. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Doordash app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Now, in the Doordash app, at the top of your screen, you can see your profile picture. So just go ahead and click on that. Over here, you can see the payment methods option. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, from here under Add Payment Methods section, you can see credit or debit card option. So just go ahead and click on that. As you can see that I haven't added any cards here, but I will tell you how you can remove cards from here. So what you want to do is just swipe left on any of your cards that you have added and you will see delete button come up on the right. Then just click on that. Now you will be able to see that your card has been removed from Doordash. So that's how you can remove card from Doordash. That's all for this video.